Let's go to Austria, where the waterfalls come around. Let's start this new episode, going to Austria with a Red Bull. Cheers. Diet, roast me. Today we are going to Austria. Yoo-hoo! Like at the end of the previous episode I said, we're going to see these waterfalls, and then we're going on this awesome looking Austrian road, and then I think we actually might we might be staying in a little cool hotel, which is a secret for now. It's a secret until you see it, because I'm not 100% if I'm staying in it. You'll see throughout this video if I am or not. And if you think I didn't stay long enough in Italy, well, you can either blame Switzerland for having wiggly roads or large mountains, or you can blame more BMW for having a long repair time. So now I have 5 hours ahead of me, 262 kilometers, and half a tank of gas. A little fuel up before we continue on our trip to Austria. Filled up diesel for 51.91. If you're wondering where I got this pizza from, watch the previous episode. Chicken or meow meow? No, I think it's actually it's oh wow. Austrian McDonald's time. I got iced macchiato or iced latte, and I got this white chocolate frappe. That looks delicious. I love white chocolate. $5.20 in total. Austrian coffee. Oh, look at the view. Anyways, I'm going to eat this first before it melts, and then I'm going to drink the coffee on the way there. Watch me destroy this ice cream in 4 seconds. Done. Let's continue to the waterfalls. Only 1 hour 57 minutes left and 97 kilometers. A quick view from the top. Nice. I have a little issue with the charger. It's not charging one of the batteries, at least at the moment. I don't know why. That's not good at all. Well, I can still use my phone, so no problem there. I just drove past an amazing view, panorama, so I'm gonna leave my car here, and it's literally just 2-minute walk, so I don't know, I'll get there somehow. And I could have turned around, but it's not really worth it as it's so close. So, oh, actually I can see it from here. Oh my god, wow, look at this. Damn, wow. Austria! I'm gonna leave my car here, away from all the other cars for some reason. And I think we are here. I know we are here because I can hear it. Yeah, that looks cool. Looks like a lot of waterfalls. It's called Criminal Waterfalls. I don't understand these parking spaces because it says frei, which means free, but then there's a pay meter over there. I don't know, I just parked all the way over there. People put their receipts on front of their windows, so I don't know. Cash only, so how am I supposed to pay? 5 euros per day. Please pay with coins. I don't have 5 euros. Guess I'm parking for free then. Ah, no, I can park here. Or I'll park under this tree. There we go, now it's free parking. So a little bit of information about Krimml waterfalls. So the Krimml waterfalls are 380 meters high. That's pretty high if you ask me. And these waterfalls are the highest waterfalls in the whole of Austria. And of course they are near the village of Krimml. The highest point of the waterfall is 1,470 meters. It flows at 5.28 million gallons per hour. That's insane. It smells extremely refreshing in here. What does extremely refreshing smells like? Basically pine tree. Achtung, wie die Winde. It's the Austrian waterfalls. Now I think I should have brought a towel, because everything is gonna get wet. If it gets too wet, I'll start using my phone because that's waterproof, unlike the camera. Therapy area. Krimml waterfall. Got my phone, time to go in like a real man. Relaxation zone, yeah? Oh, look, a rainbow. Okay, this is the relaxation zone. I am so relaxed. I'm so relaxed. Oh yeah. I am extremely relaxed right now because this is supposed to be the relaxation zone. Oh. Okay, I'm getting shit. Nice and easy. Tastes nice. Oh, I forgot to do an Instagram story. Shit, I need to go back. I have a question for all of you biological people over there. Where does so much freaking water come from? I know ice melts and stuff like that and rain, but 5 million gallons an hour? So I'm all changed and ready to go to Vienna now. It's a little bit far away from here. I wasn't expecting it to be so far away, but it is what it is. And I don't think that today I'll make to Vienna because it's 6.5 hours. I will also have to stop for breaks every at least 2 or 3 hours for at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. I'll have to eat some food. And it's already 6 o'clock. Today I'll try to make at least halfway there. Minimum halfway there, and then we'll go to sleep. And then tomorrow, which will be of course for you only a couple of minutes, tomorrow on the other half of the way I'll tell you about the secret that I have in Vienna. I think we'll spend the whole day tomorrow there, and then at the end of the day you'll see the actual thing that I'm talking about, which I can't tell you yet. So let's not waste any more time and let's make at least halfway to Vienna today. Oh yes, my other clothes are drying over there. And socks are on the windshield. I definitely recommend going to Krimml Waterfalls. And now we feast. Yeah, this pizza is quite old now. Pizza! Pizza! Italian pizza in Austria! Let's go! Quick change of plans. It's actually not going to take 6.5 hours. It's only going to take 5 hours instead. What I've done is I deselected the option to avoid tolls, which means I will have to pay for the road. I just want to see how much you actually have to pay for the road, because Previously I used all the roads to avoid the payments on them because I think it doesn't make any sense if you can reach the same destination, and I have plenty of time anyways. But now I decided that, what if it's not too expensive? And I think I already have a few tolls that I have to pay, and I'm not sure how to do that. So we might actually make it to Austria by tonight after all. I still haven't seen any signs that I need to pay for the road yet, or there wasn't any barriers that I'm not allowed to go through without paying, so I'll probably receive a fine. The future will tell, as someone said. Bye bye Austrian police. Thank you for being nice and not stopping me. 2 hours 11 minutes left, 212 kilometers left. Okay, this is actually really funny. The gas station at the highway is over 2 euros. If you go literally 500 meters, the diesel is 149 or 150. Really? Well, well, well. What do we have here? 3 cheeseburgers and iced caramel latte. You may be asking why you're so far down there. I don't know. Yeah, the caramel one is it's a little bit better. Yes, they are open 24 hours and I'm booking one right now. It's only 43 euros a night, which is a bit cheaper than Switzerland, I guess. A lot cheaper actually. All booked in. Let's freaking go! Let's go, I'll show you this awesome hotel tonight. Tonight, this is getting good. I hope it's not closed when we get there. I said that the estimated arrival time is 11, but it's not really. That's the latest option I could select anyways. I'm here. I parked the car here, next to the big buildings. I don't know, it doesn't say anything. I need to look around. Nope, doesn't say anything. Let's go inside.